If a person soaks in a bathtub for 48 hours, what changes will occur in the body? When you first lie down in the bathtub, the warm water will gradually relax your muscles and effectively relieve body fatigue. However, this feeling will not last long. After 30 minutes, the skin will start to have problems. Your fingers and toes will start to wrinkle because the outer layer of the skin contains a substance called keratin. The dead cells in the keratin layer easily absorb water and gradually expand during prolonged soaking, especially in the thicker keratin layer of the hands and feet, making it easier to swell and wrinkle. But this will not cause any substantial harm to the body. In fact, wrinkled fingers can better grasp slippery objects as the wrinkles increase the friction of the palm. Over time, the keratin layer of the body's skin will turn white, and the outer and inner layers of the skin will gradually separate. You will find that the keratin layer on your hands can be easily peeled off after soaking for 24 hours. You will find small blisters on the skin, commonly known as vesicles, because water cannot penetrate the skin and the excess water remains between the epidermis and the dermis, causing the epidermis to form these blisters. Although these blisters are small, do not underestimate their impact. If you choose to continue soaking, the blisters on your body will become larger and soon burst, eventually leading to infection and skin peeling. After watching this video, do you still dare to soak for a long time?